Have you ever had a time when you needed both your brain and your bravery? Like figuring out how to solve a tricky puzzle at school and having the courage to share your answer with the whole class. Well, today we're going to meet someone from Greek mythology who was the queen of doing exactly that. She was smart and strong at the same time. Her name is Athena. Athena was the Greek goddess of wisdom, courage, and, get this, crafts. Yep, she was the goddess who loved weaving, building, and inventing clever tools. She carried a shiny shield called the Aegis, and sometimes she wore a helmet that made her look like the fiercest warrior in the land. But Athena didn't just fight with muscles, she fought with her mind. She was the daughter of Zeus, the king of the gods, and instead of being born like most babies, she sprang right out of Zeus's head, fully grown and wearing armor. One of Athena's most famous stories is about a city. Can you guess which one? Yep, Athens. Long ago, the people of the city needed a protector god. Two powerful gods wanted the job: Poseidon, the god of the sea, and Athena. Poseidon struck the ground with his trident, and a big fountain of salt water gushed up. Pretty cool, but salty water isn't great for drinking. Athena, on the other hand, planted the very first olive tree. It gave food, oil, and wood. The people thought, this is useful for everyday life. So they chose Athena as their city's protector, and they named the city Athens after her. That's why, even today, Athens is famous for olive trees and wisdom. Have you ever had to make a choice between something flashy and something practical? Like, would you rather get a giant toy that looks cool but breaks in 2 days? Or a smaller toy you can actually play with for years? That's kind of like the choice the people of Athens made. Poseidon's water fountain was dramatic, but Athena's olive tree was useful every single day. So let's talk science. Athena's olive tree gift wasn't just a symbol. It was a super smart choice. Olive trees can live for hundreds, even thousands of years. They can survive in hot, dry climates where other trees might give up. And olives aren't just snacks. They can be pressed into olive oil, which people use for cooking, lamps, and even soap. In fact, scientists today study olive trees to learn how plants survive in tough conditions, which could help farmers grow food in the future when the climate changes. So Athena's gift wasn't just myth. It was a science lesson about sustainability. Now imagine this. If Athena were alive today, what gift would she give us? Maybe not an olive tree. Maybe something futuristic, like a solar-powered tree that gives us energy instead of olives. Or maybe she'd invent a robot owl. Her favorite animal was the owl that could fly around, help kids with homework, and remind us to make smart, eco-friendly choices. Athena's mix of wisdom and creativity is kind of like the way scientists and engineers work today, solving problems not just for now, but for the future. So what did we learn? Athena was the goddess of wisdom and courage. She taught people that the best gift isn't always the flashiest. It's the one that helps us grow, learn, and live better every day. Next time you make a smart choice, think of Athena cheering you on with her owl by her side. Thanks for listening, and remember, brains plus bravery make the best team. Bye for now.